In this video, we're going to be learning about the correct order of operations. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, we need to follow a set of rules so that we all get exactly the same answer. BIDMAS is one way of remembering the correct order of operations. First, we look for brackets. Next, we look for indices. Then, division and multiplication, and addition and subtraction. So looking at my problem, I can see that there is some brackets, and within the brackets, I need to answer the question of 5 plus 4 squared. Now, according to BIDMAS, I've got the brackets, but I still need to follow the whole sequence of operations even within inside that brackets. So first of all, what I need to do is work out what 4 squared is before I do 5 add the answer. So 4 squared is 16. Adding on the 5, and then taking away 3 times 3. 5 add 16 is still inside the brackets, so 5 add 16 is 21, and take away 3 times 3. So I've now done the brackets, any powers, or indices, and now I need to focus on any division and multiplication within my problem. So I can see that I've got 3 times 3. 21 take away 3 times 3, which is 9, will then leave me the answer of 12. I've now gone through and followed BIDMAS to arrive at the answer. Pause the video here and apply BIDMAS to the problem on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So following BIDMAS again, I can see that I've got brackets, but within the brackets I have some powers, so I will focus on the powers bit first. 2 squared is 4, add 3, add on 2 times 2. I still have the brackets, so 4 add 3 is 7, add 2 times 2. So I've done the brackets, any powers, and now I need to focus on the division and multiplication. There's one multiplication, and 2 times 2 is 4. Addition, 7 plus 4 is 11, and I've now arrived at my final answer.